Hello, my name is Charles Lagacé. I'm a project manager at AGT. We are here to present a BLOK machine to you. We will send it to the client in about 1 to 2 weeks. So we are in the final testing and final programming preparations. The machine is a BLOK 500, 2 zones, designed for parts up to 45 feet. We have one zone with positioners that go up to 25,000 pounds and a zone without positioners where the client can make their own tables to adapt to any part, so the machine becomes extremely versatile. Everything is tested in the factory, and then we perform the same tests at the client's site. We will assist at the start of production to ensure everything goes smoothly. Once the machine is installed, we will spend several weeks at the client's site for calibration, tests, training, also improvement of welding quality. We also have an online support system for the client if there are questions or problems, so we are very proactive in helping the client with their production. Right now we can see our first machine with a plunging Z, so the robot can lower itself for better access to parts. For extremely large parts, more complicated parts, we are able to get inside, even in areas with restricted access. Initially, the machine was not configured with a plunging Z. We just had a rail-mounted robot, let's say, on the upper part as we see here, and we had access difficulties. So we modified the machine, we mechanically developed a new way to position the robot specifically for these parts. The machine uses Cortex Prime technology for programming, so everything is self-programmed. We also use our SnapCam system, which is a 3-dimensional camera for seam detection. So both work together so that the client does not have to do manual programming. And even if there are errors in the assembly, we are able to find the joints in real time and have the welds exactly in the right place every time. Our client is in the heavy industry, meaning oil, mining, rail, energy, anything that is large scale and in small batches, and also assemblies that will have a lot of welds. That's why they needed a system with auto-programming. The production flow is still simple. The client only has to input the 3-dimensional model of their assembly, run the simulations, we input it into the robot, and the robot is ready to process the part. The machine requires less skilled labor, making it easier for a company without a programmer. We can simply have operators that AGT will train, so it's very easy to use for a client. When a client buys a BLOK machine, it comes with several hundred hours where we can develop specific features in Cortex, welding recipes, assist in the fabrication of jigs. Any need the client may have when purchasing a machine from us, we assist them in developing what could really improve their usage process. What I particularly liked about this project is that as we develop new features, we adapt them for the machines afterward. Cortex, as we take on new projects, becomes increasingly efficient. Our machines are becoming more versatile, easier to use. With each project, we always add a little extra layer because we use all the knowledge we've gained from our various projects with clients. Our expertise keeps growing. We also take in all the knowledge that clients can provide us. By collaborating with clients, we are always able to develop better products for them. At AGT, our strength truly lies in collaboration with clients. If you are ever interested in learning more, feel free to contact us to learn about our products.